In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain by updating your DNS records with the correct Base44 value. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the domain section. This is where Wix stores all of the settings related to the web addresses connected to your account. If you have more than one domain, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple websites. Selecting the right domain here is important because any changes you make will apply specifically to that address. After you found your target domain, click on it and look for the option labeled Manage DNS Records. This area controls how your domain points to different services online. DNS settings can sound technical at first, but for this process, you really only need to focus on entering the correct value in the right place. As you open the DNS management area, it's a good idea to move carefully and avoid changing unrelated records since those may affect email, website access, or other connected services. Next, open a new tab in Chrome and log into your Base44 account. Keeping Wix open in the first tab and Base44 in the second tab makes it much easier to switch back and forth without losing your place. Once you're inside Base44, locate the connection details provided for your domain setup. You'll need to copy either the target IP address or the CNAME record value depending on what Base44 has given you for this connection. Be sure to copy the value exactly as it appears. DNS entries need to be precise, so even a small typo, an extra space, or a missing character can cause the setup to fail. If you're copying and pasting, that's usually the safest option. Take an extra second to double check what you copied before returning to your Wix tab. At this point, you've completed the preparation needed for updating your Wix DNS settings. You now have your Wix domain settings open and the correct Base44 destination value copied and ready to use. Keeping both tabs available will help the rest of the process go smoothly and reduce the chance of mistakes. That's it for this part of the setup. Follow along carefully, and you'll be ready to connect your domain accurately and efficiently.